This is a special tool for disassembling and assembling freewheel. This is a known for hexagon wrench tool. This is used to remove the brake disc screws. But considering that many customers don't have this special tool for removing freewheel, we can use a makeshift method. Use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to replace this tool. Okay, let's remove it now. For this freewheel, clockwise is to tight, and counterclockwise to loosen. Let's take a screwdriver and a hammer. There is a slot here. We need to hold it. Use a hammer to knock it. Okay, it's loose now. After that, we can turn it out by hand. Okay, it's done. Let's remove the brake disc screw. There are 6 screws in total. The tool we use is a 4-number hexagon wrench. We must use a better one. If the tool is too poor, it will damage the screw. We must press it in place. First, loosen all 6 screws. And then unscrew them all together. The new motor wheel the customer receives will have a bag of screws. During the installation process, you need to use new screws and washers. When you receive this, we need to install the freewheel and brake disc. The brake disc needs to be onto the new motor. This arrow and this word must be facing up. Screw the screws diagonally. After tightening, we need to tighten all the screws again to ensure that every screw is tightened. Okay, the brake disc is installed. The groove side of the freewheel should be facing up, and the groove is flat. This step must be level flat. Use your hand to slowly push it in. If you flatten it, it will naturally be screwed in. Tighten it to the end. Use a screwdriver to install it in the same way. If the sound is hard when you knock it, that means it's installed to the end. That's it.